Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study university chemistry step by step. First, prioritize attending every lecture and engaging with the material. Make it a habit to review your notes within 24 hours. This significantly boosts retention. Focus on truly understanding foundational concepts such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and stoichiometry. Don't hesitate to visit your professor's office hours for personalized help. Next, active learning is crucial. Don't just read, actively work through every problem assigned in your textbook. Forming a study group can be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging problems and explain concepts to one another, solidifying your understanding. Dedicate time to practicing drawing reaction mechanisms and predicting products, which is vital for organic chemistry. Explore online resources for extra practice questions and helpful tutorials. To truly excel, focus on conceptual understanding. Always connect new information to previously learned chemical principles, building a robust knowledge framework. When faced with complex problems, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Strive to understand the why behind chemical reactions and phenomena, not just the what. Regularly test yourself with practice exams under timed conditions to simulate the real assessment environment. Finally, effective exam preparation is key. Begin creating a comprehensive study schedule several weeks before your exams, allocating specific times for each topic. Summarize key concepts, important reactions, and essential formulas onto self-made cheat sheets for quick review. Identify your weak areas early and dedicate extra study time to master them. Remember to prioritize adequate sleep and maintain a healthy diet. These are crucial for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.